am parked up on Coventry Road with a tow rag with a 1,000 litres of water. Right here, we're going to take this and the tow rag to Small Little Army Road so we can raise money for the Turkey Charity Appeal and see how much money we can raise today. With your help, sharing the word out to everybody, we can do more charity appeals to help all the people that need it all around the world. So let's get at it. Let's go. Whip, you know, no joke. Oh, he's got that. He's never ready. Lost it then.
K20 turbo.
What turbo is it?
Pulsar GTX 35.
What injectors? 1000cc.
1050 injectors.
Stage 4 clutch. What inch exhaust?
3-inch full through, 2.5 inch speed.
No silencers.
Yeah, one silencer. And in the back box.
I wasn't recording then, that's why. No. But you guys are there though, don't worry. What's it running? 450. 450, yeah? What brakes you got on this? 4-time.
I'm driving my own hands because I know this car like the back of my hand. Mashallah, yeah, I will give it. You trust this car. I don't think a Civic could do that, I'll be honest. Fully set up, body washed, oil over, everything. There's nothing on this car that ain't been done. No LSD, I took the LSD out. I had a M factory, but I'm 4-wheel driving it in it, so I put the 4-wheel drive box in. It's not got LSD in at the moment. Trying to shift. What's the spec called? Yeah, K-tune. That's a K-tune shift.
I just want to know what it feels like in it, and this is an open diff, you said, yeah?
Open diff.
Open diff.
No ABS here. No. So don't just plant the brakes, otherwise we'll skid it.
That is nice.
Stay
Is that legit? The miles per hour?
Yeah.
We were really going that fast. What the? Wow. That is nuts. That is sure that's legit. That don't make any sense, bro. Wow, but no power steering.
No power steering, no traction control, no ABS. All about the driver.
Okay, you know what? I will film it to you. Like you. That is that's pretty dope, man. Woo, mate.
Workout, yeah?
Yeah, full on. Full on. Not gonna lie, but
Handful, yeah?
I'm boosting the Civic, bro. I'm letting you drive. I'm letting. It's so good. I don't like first gear though. It's scary. Wow. Yeah. That is
Adrenaline, yeah?
yeah. That is so good. I'll reverse it in. That is mad.
It's got open diff in it. You know, if it was LSG, it'd be a different story, bro. Yeah.
Mad. Yeah. It pulls, man. It pulls. But you know what? I'm not gonna lie, but I didn't expect it to be very. The car is real good.
Yeah.
It's real good.
Dialed in, innit?
I thought it'd be very scary. Like it is scary fast, but it gives so much
Holds the road,
confidence. The car is built very good. That's what I'm gonna say.
Done everything, bro. There's nothing.
I can't believe it goes that fast. I can't believe. I thought I'm doing. When I'm looking, so well
would you wait?
well built.
Bro, the LSD, mate, you would have been shitting it, bro. I would have been sending around islands, one as easy. Yeah. Bro, you get your setup right, yeah. It's calm, but that is mad.
Mad Toyota Yaris, and guess what? It's a man who's like slideways, boys. Man. Slideways, yeah. Check them out on YouTube channel. Follow them up. They're the young guns in the car scene in Birmingham. Sideways, you know. This is our 20th car. EP3 type R's, man. Don't know how much you raised so far, but it's going good. we've made it back to the HQ now. We're gonna get the trailer inside. Today was a success. Everybody that turned up with their fast cars and nice cars and the vans, thank you so much. From the dear of my heart, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. And everybody that donated generously, may Allah bless you all. And we will do the same thing next Sunday, every Sunday in the month of Ramadan. We're just going to keep doing it, and hopefully this will inspire many more people to do car washes for charity and for good cause. On this note, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Till next time, peace.